If you have two chicken legs and a stick of butter, then you can prepare these legs in such a way that they will melt in your mouth. Take two generous pieces of butter and tuck them under the skin of the chicken thighs. We will prepare the legs at a low temperature so the butter will melt slowly and the meat will absorb all the flavor. Season the chicken legs only with salt and black pepper. Then carefully rub the thighs so that the salt and pepper penetrate as well as possible into the meat. In a preheated pan, pour a little olive oil, then spread the all over the entire surface of the pan and put the chicken legs carefully in the pan. After that, put the lid and let them fry on a low heat for 15 minutes. Please help me and share this video with your friends. Also, I will be very happy to read your comments. Meanwhile, take an onion, cut it in half, then into strips, and then into small cubes. The onion also makes a considerable contribution to the tenderness of the meat. Then take 3 cloves of garlic, crush them with a knife, and chop them finely. Now, after the 15 minutes have passed, we turn the chicken legs over to the other side and leave them for another 10 minutes with the lid on. The steam from the pan enters the meat and makes the meat juicy. Now the first step is ready. Remove the chicken legs from the pan, then pour the chopped onion over the fat in the pan. The fat in the pan is actually melted butter and chicken fat. Let the onion fry on low heat until it softens, and then add the chopped garlic. Let the garlic also brown a little on low heat for about 5 minutes, then pour tomato sauce or crushed tomatoes, or if you have tomatoes, you can cut them into cubes and put them in the pan. Leave this sauce uncovered to evaporate a little of the water, then put the chicken legs for another 5 to 10 minutes on a low heat so that the sauce penetrates with its flavor into the meat. Tomatoes also have the property of making the meat even more tender. I want to tell you that a very nice smell comes from the pan. With the help of a spatula, pour the sauce over the chicken legs so that they are well covered. Don't hurry, the appetite is coming now. Now our delicious food is ready. We take it out of the pan directly onto a large plate. I don't know about you, but I ate them all. I couldn't stop. Now pour the sauce left in the pan over the chicken thighs. This sauce is very aromatic and delicious. If you want, you can add hot peppers to this dish. This plate looks great, doesn't it? Now comes the time to do the test to see how tender the meat is. Look how easy it is to break the muscle fibers from the chicken leg. Enjoy the food, and I hope you have a nice day today. Thank you for watching and for taking the time to share this video with your friends.